about the use of synthetic chemicals, and a lot of us are moving towards more natural ways to feed plants and repel pests. Hozelock's created the new Hozelock Pure brand, and this biomixer enables gardeners to make plant foods with nettles and comfrey without some of the mess and odour that's associated with traditional methods of making the solutions. It's got an internal bucket here with a mesh at the bottom. Got the lid here which keeps it secure, and a tap at the bottom. So you get your comfrey leaves and you put them in the internal basket, and then you top it with water. So once you fill that up with water, you then put the lid on. This lid enables air to get into the mixture, but it doesn't let any odours out. So this is a completely odour-free way of making comfrey solution. You've got a wheel here which you can turn to aid the decomposition of the leaves, and you've got a window so you can see what's going on inside. As the leaves start to break down in the water, aided by the oxygen that's allowed to come in through these gaps here, bubbles start to rise. After a couple of weeks or so, the bubbles stop rising, and that's when you know your solution is ready to use. You simply get your Hozelock Pure container, use the tap, and that releases the solution. So once you've drained off the liquid out of your biomix, you can use what's left in the basket on the compost heap, which actually works as a compost accelerant as well.